Hey everyone, this is Tanya, and I'm explaining on what I have done for the hangover project. I'm not having a hangover, but here what it basically does is you can actually practice for your interviews. So I'm just uploading a sample resume of Arab Sharma. Here it's going to use Servum's 105 billion parameter model to extract skills not only from the skills section but also from the work experience. And yeah, why am I extracting these skills from resume so that I can just take interviews for them? You see, like, you realize your LinkedIn is good for your social skills, your GitHub is good for to understand where they are good at coding and documenting, but nothing for your ability to code, explain the code. Hey everyone, this is Tanya, and I'm just explaining on what my submission is. So right now, what we are doing is we have LinkedIn for social skills or social credibility and your workspace. You to get like recommendations and all of it. You have GitHub to understand how a person writes code and explains it. But what about your ability to actually explain that code, the soft skills? Do you have a platform for that? Unless you're a YouTuber and explains every code line by line. I don't think there is. So this is where I want to actually call out people like you're just sitting in the interview. Where do you practice? And where do you understand the gaps? Most of my interviews don't give a feedback for that. So this is where I'm trying to help candidates to fill the gap and understand. For example, this you can see the skills which are claimed here is like Python. I don't know the answer to this question. I'm I'm just testing it out and I'm giving shitty answers, not that relevant, just to test it out, and I'm expecting a score of zero. So you can use like Saras models here, which can actually, okay, this is Saras model to actually do the transcription of your audio to video. And then you have like Bulbul model to listen to whatever questions are for accessibility reasons. And then I have evals to actually understand like what kind of responses it is and what skills are being claimed in the resume, and also it has a GitHub connection where you can actually you know get to see the code of the person. So this is more like an evaluation tool for person, this an individual. I see like the score I didn't answer well, so you can look at the core memory. Thanks to Cogni for this. And here you can see Arav Sharma claimed he has React skills, and he gave like two interviews, and this was like the testing interviews in Kubernetes and AWS. And how did he perform? Where he couldn't perform, I'll just give a sample um, you know GitHub profile, and it's going to map how many this thing like repositories are there, how many projects are being there, what skills, and all of it. And it's going to give you a reality gap. And thanks to Cogni's long-term memory, that I can actually, not only me, like any person can actually practice repeatedly what skill gap they have and improvise on it, because these days you need to be interview ready rather than actually, I know most of you all have good skills with writing code but not able to explain it well. So this is where I'm trying to help. I hope this tool is helpful to many of them, and I'll try to keep open source as possible and get funds for the credits and host it.